Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and I'm going to be talking to you about how to do the Friends or Foe Station Lab. So you can see I'm on the Science 6 School G page. I'm going to go to Module C, and this is in Unit 2, and it's in Lesson 30. And there's the Friend or Foe Station Lab. You're going to see three different files. Okay, the student response sheet looks like this. It says Friend or Foe Station Lab, and we're going to talk about these directions. I'm going to give you some different directions. You have the Friend or Foe PowerPoint presentation, and then you have the actual stations. So let's talk about this. It says directions. Your group will be given a description of an organism. First of all, this is not a group activity. This is an individual activity. If you do need help, you're welcome to ask somebody, but we are not doing this activity in groups. The description of the organism is here. Each of the stations has the description of the organisms, and I'm actually going to do Station 1 with you in this video. It says, upon reviewing the passage, you will determine, using the passage in your notes, what type of relationship is occurring between the organisms. Meaning, for each station, choose the following relationship: parasitism, commensalism, or mutualism. It says, once you've decided on a relationship, write the name of the organism in the appropriate section and answer the questions. So let's take a look at Station 1. Okay, let me go up a little bit more. Station 1 says, it's about the cactus wren and the Chola cactus. The cactus wren builds its large football-shaped nest in the Chola cactus. The Chola, with its long spines, provides a well-protected home for the cactus wren and its young. The cactus wren benefits from the protection provided, and the Chola is not harmed by the wren living there. So for Station 1, when it says relationship, we know that the cactus wren benefits, but there's no harm to the Chola cactus. So I would say that it's not parasitism because no one's being harmed. It's not mutualism because the cactus doesn't benefit. It's going to be commensalism, and that's what I would write right here where the relationship is. The next it says the name of the organisms. The name of the two organisms are the cactus wren, which is a bird, and the Chola cactus, okay, type of cactus. Why do we live together? Well, they live together because the wren builds its nest in the cactus, and the cactus provides protection for the nest. What advantages or disadvantages do we provide one another? The cactus provides the advantage of protection to the wren, but the wren doesn't provide any advantage or disadvantage to the cactus. And it says, what would happen if one of the organisms were not present? If the cactus were not present, then the cactus wren might have a drop in population because they wouldn't have the protection of the cactus. Okay. Now, if the cactus wren wasn't there, the Chola cactus doesn't really matter. It would have no effect on the population of the Chola cactus. So that's how you're going to answer these questions. And you can scroll down here, Station 2, and it keeps on going, and it keeps on going, okay? And there are, let's see, I think there are 8 stations. And then there are some questions here. I also put in this PowerPoint presentation where it talks about predators and prey. It actually gives you the definition of the different symbiotic relationships, gives you an example of each one, and that's it. And I'll let you guys work through that. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I think that that's pretty much it.